Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how to turn off your display monitor without actually turning off your computer or laptop. There are two methods that I'm about to show you guys, and both methods are good depending on the situation. If I once configure this, it can be like a double click to instantly turn off our display, or when our computer is in idle state for a certain period of time, then it should automatically turn off the monitor. For the first one, we need to download a small software for this. It is completely safe and easy to use. You can download that from the link in the description below. Once it's done, extract the file, and you don't have to install it because it's portable, so when you run this program it will instantly turn off your display, and you can easily turn on your display back just by moving the cursor or pressing anything on your keyboard. And for the second method, we have to go to the settings and then click the system. And there you can see an option called Power and Sleep. Here we can set the duration of the screen of how much minutes it should wait before it turning off the display. This one is pretty good to use because it will automatically turn off your display when your PC is not in use. And it can increase the lifetime of your monitor, and also it reduces the electricity bill. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.